Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth in no man's sky. This guide will help you craft a valuable food item, perfect for various in-game uses. We will cover everything from gathering the initial ingredients to the final cooking process, ensuring you master your nutrient processor. Get ready to become a culinary expert in the vast universe. Your first step is to acquire softened marrow, the primary component for bone broth. You can find bone fossils at paleontological sites, often in wheelbarrows or by culling specific bone fauna. Once you have a bone fossil, place just one into your nutrient processor to transform it into softened marrow. Remember, you will need at least 2 of these for the broth. Now for the main event, crafting the bone broth itself. Head back to your nutrient processor. This is crucial. Place one softened marrow in the first input slot and a second softened marrow in a separate input slot. Do not stack them. Alternatively, you can use one softened marrow and one piece of processed meat. The processor will then create your delicious bone broth. Bone broth isn't just for quests, it offers practical benefits too. Consuming it grants a 50% hazard protection bonus, helping you survive harsh environments. You also receive a 42% nutrient ingester bonus. If you encounter issues, double-check that any fast refinery mods are disabled, as they can sometimes interfere with the cooking process. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.